Good morning, students. Today we have to discuss exercise 11.2. Before going to the exercise 11.2, you have to refer your introduction video. Done? What is parabola and standard equation of parabola. So now exercise. We will solve exercise 11.2. Very simple exercise is there. So let's start with question number 1. Question number 1. So here from question number 1 to 5, we have to find the coordinates of focus. What we have to find? Coordinates of focus, axis of parabola, which is axis of parabola, equation of directrix, and length of latus rectum for each given parabola. Done? Find the coordinates of focus, axis of parabola, directrix of parabola, and length of latus rectum of given parabola. 4 things that we have to find. Question number 1. So equation of parabola is y square equal to 12x. Equation of parabola is y square equal to 12x. So for this parabola, we have to find focus, axis, directrix, and equation length of latus rectum. So first, total 4 types of parabolas are there. Done. So here, the given equation y square equal to 12x is in the form of y square equal to 4ax. Y square equal to 4ax. Which type of parabola? Here, for positive negative value of y, our x is positive. For positive negative value of y, x is positive. So it's a rightward parabola. So this is the equation of rightward parabola. This is the equation of rightward parabola. And equation of directrix is x equal to minus a focus f a0. Done? ये हमने स्टडी किया था. So this one is y square equal to 4ax form, where value of 4a, compare this both the equation. Value of 4a is equal to 12, coefficient of x. We are comparing coefficient of x. 4a equal to 12. So a equal to 4 3s are 12. So value of a is 3. So now we can say focus of this parabola. Coordinates of focus. It's a rightward parabola. Focus lies on positive x-axis. So coordinates of focus point is 3 0. Done. For this rightward parabola, our directrix will be on the left side of this y-axis. So equation of directrix is x equal to minus a. So equation of directrix is x equal to minus a, minus 3. Then focus. Now axis, our rightward parabola is symmetrical about the x-axis, and therefore axis of parabola क्या होगी बोलो? Axis of parabola, or axis of parabola will be this one, horizontal axis, that is x-axis. Our rightward parabola is always symmetrical about the x-axis. Clear? And fourth answer, that is length of latus rectum. Length of latus rectum. Length of latus rectum that we have derived, which is equal to 4a. Length of latus rectum of parabola is 4a, and our 4a is 12. So our answer is 12. Clear, students? This is the solution of question number 1. Equation of parabola is given, and we have to find its focus, equation of directrix, axis of parabola, and length of latus rectum. Same question number 2. So here equation of parabola is x square. Equation of parabola. So equation of parabola is x square equal to 6y. X square equal to 6y. Now, which form is there? X square, that means for positive negative value of x, और y will be positive, है ना. रफ डायग्राम ड्रॉ करें तो आपको जल्दी आइडिया आएगा. For positive negative value of x, this is our x. So both the positive negative value of x, y is positive. Y positive कहाँ पर होगा? Upward direction में. So this is our upward parabola. है ना? So this is the equation of upward parabola. So equation of given parabola is x square equal to 6y. Which type of parabola? It's a upward parabola. It's a upward parabola. So what is the equation of upward parabola? It's a x square equal to 4ay. X square equal to 4ay is the equation of upward parabola. So here focus lies on y-axis. Done. So compare the coefficient of this y. Coefficient of y is 4a and that is equal to 6, and hence we are getting the value of a which is equal to 6 by 4. Simplification, 2 3s are 2 2s are, so it's a 3 by 2. So a is 3 by 2. Value of a is 3 by 2. Now first, coordinates of focus point. Our focus coordinates are, focus lies on y-axis, so coordinates of focus will be 0y, 0a. So this is equal to 0 3 by 2, 0 3 by 2. Now what about the directrix? Horizontal line, which is x equal to sorry, y equal to minus a. Equation of directrix is y equal to minus a. So equation of directrix it will be y equal to minus a, and therefore it's a y equal to minus 3 by 2 is the equation of directrix. Y equal to minus 3 by 2 is the equation of directrix. Then axis of parabola. So here our parabola is symmetrical about the y-axis, है ना. ये check करना है आपको y. So it's a symmetrical about the y-axis. Y square equal to 4ax. So it's a symmetrical about the x-axis. So for this case, our parabola is symmetrical about the y-axis. So axis of parabola is our y-axis. Fourth one, we have to find the length of lattice rectum. Length of lattice rectum is 4a. It's a 4 into a. A is 3 by 2. That is equal to 2 2s are 4. That is equal to 6. है ना, 4a. So length of lattice rectum will be 6. Clear, students? So this is how you can solve your question number 2. Third question. Here, equation of parabola. Given equation of parabola is y square equal to minus 8x. Y square equal to minus 8x is there. So now this y square equal to minus 8x is in which form? It's a y square equal to minus 4ax. Y square equal to minus 4ax. Done. So for positive negative value of y, or x is negative. For positive negative value, both value of y or x is negative. So rough diagram of parabola will be like this. This is our x-axis, this is our y-axis. Positive and negative value of y or x is negative. So our parabola will be like this, and this is the directrix. Done. कौन सा parabola हुआ? It's a leftward parabola. Done. for this leftward parabola, equation of directrix is x equal to a. Focus will lie on x-axis whose coordinates are minus a0. Done? So now, comparing the coefficients, we are getting the value of a. So coefficient of x is minus 4a, and that is equal to minus 8. So what is the value of a? A will be 2. So y square equal to minus 4ax. So minus 4a equal to minus 8. So a will be 2. Done? Now focus. Coordinates of focus f, which lies on negative x-axis. Done? So it's a minus a0, minus a0. So coordinates of focus minus 2, 0. Coordinates of focus are minus 2, 0. Now equation of directrix. Equation of directrix. So what is the equation of directrix? It's a x equal to a. X equal to a is the equation of directrix. So x equal to a is 2. Done? So x equal to 2 is the equation of directrix. Now axis of parabola. Axis of parabola. Now our parabola is leftward parabola, which is symmetrical about the x-axis. So x-axis is the axis of parabola. Then we require length of latus rectum. Length of latus rectum, that is equal to 4a. This is minus 4a equal to minus 8. So 4a will be equal to 8. So this is the length of latus rectum. Clear, students? So this is how you can solve your question number 3. Okay, now question number 4. Here, equation of parabola. Given equation of parabola. Given equation of parabola is x square. Different types of parabola are given. X square equal to minus 16y. X square equal to minus 16y. So here, this is the equation of parabola, which is in the form of, which form? X square equal to minus 16y. This is nothing but the x square equal to minus 4ay. This is the equation of parabola in this form, x square equal to minus 4ay. So x square equal to minus 4ay. रफ डायग्राम ट्राई करो ना, स्टार्टिंग में आपको रफ डायग्राम ड्रॉ करना है, उसके बाद आप डायरेक्ट इसका आंसर दे पाएंगे. सो एक्स स्क्वायर, so both positive and negative value of x or y will be negative. Y is negative, so y negative नीचे होता है. So parabola will be like this. Which parabola? It's a downward parabola. This is the equation of downward parabola. Focus will be lie on y-axis, it is 0 minus a, and equation of directrix will be y equal to a. Done? So now compare this coefficient of y. So on comparison, we are getting minus 4a equal to minus 16, and therefore 4a equal to 16, and which implies a equal to 4. A equal to 4. Done? हमें सिर्फ a निकालना है. So now we can write the answer. Focus f, coordinates. Focus f lies on y-axis, है ना? Focus f lies on y-axis. Whose coordinates are 0 minus a. So 0 minus a, and therefore coordinates of focus are 0 minus 4. 0 minus 4. Now equation of directrix. Equation of directrix. That is y equal to a. Y equal to a. So value of a is 4. So y equal to 4 is the equation of directrix. Axis of parabola. Axis of parabola. Here, this parabola is symmetrical about the y-axis. Hence, axis of parabola is y-axis, and length of latus rectum. Length of lattice rectum. Length of lattice rectum that is equal to 4a. 4a यहाँ पर हमने डिराइव किया 4a equal to 16. Hence length of lattice rectum is 16. Clear students? Now I think it is clear to all the students how to find focus, directrix, length of lattice rectum and axis of parabola for different types of parabola. Clear students? चलो. Now question number 5. Question number 5. Here equation of parabola. Equation of parabola. Here equation of parabola is y square equal to 10x. Y square equal to 10x. तो बोलो स्टूडेंट्स कौन से फॉर्म में है, अभी फटाफट करना है. y square equal to it's a 4ax form. Done. So here for positive negative value of y, x is positive, y square equal to 4ax है ना. ये तो सिंपल वाला पैराबोला, ये वाला this is equation of directrix. Done. So y square equal to 4ax, it's a rightward parabola. It's a equation of rightward parabola. So comparing the equation, coefficient of x is 10. So 4a equal to 10. Therefore a equal to 10 by 4. It's a 5 by 2. A is 5 by 2, and therefore we can write the coordinates of focus. Coordinates of focus f. And focus f lies on x-axis, on rightward direction, positive direction. So coordinates are a0. So coordinates of focus are a0. So here our f is 5 by 2, 0. Done. Focus. Now equation of directrix. Equation of directrix. Equation of directrix is x equal to minus a. This is equation of directrix, which is x equal to minus a. So value of a is 5 by 2. Hence equation of directrix is x equal to minus 5 by 2. Equation of directrix is x equal to minus 5 by 2. Now axis of parabola. Here our parabola is symmetrical about the x-axis, है ना. देखो यहाँ पर x है. So axis of parabola is x-axis. Last one is length of lattice rectum. So length of lattice rectum is nothing but the 4a, and our 4a is 10. So length of lattice rectum is 10 is the answer. Done. Now next question. Question number 6. आंसर को वेरीफाई कर ले. 4a minus 5 by 2. Very good. चलो. Now question number 6. Equation of parabola. Equation of parabola. Here equation of parabola is x square equal to minus 9y. X square equal to minus 9y is the equation of parabola. So here this equation is in the form of x square equal to minus 4ay. X square equal to minus 4ay form is there. Both positive negative value of x, y is negative. बोलो कैसे आएगा? Positive and negative value of x or y is negative. So y is negative. Downward parabola is the equation of directrix. Done. Y equal to a. Focus will be over here. Coordinates will be 0 minus a. Coordinates of focus 0 minus a. So comparing this equation, we are getting minus 4a equal to minus 9. So 4a equal to 9. Value of a is 9 by 4. 9 by 4. So coordinates of focus 0 minus a. So it's a f 0 minus 9 by 4. Equation of directrix. Equation of directrix. It's a x equal to, sorry, y equal to a. Equation of directrix is y equal to a. So it's a y equal to 9 by 4 is the equation of directrix. axis of parabola is nothing but the y-axis, because our parabola is symmetrical about the y-axis, and length of lattice rectum that is equal to 4a, 4 into a ना 4a आ गया 9, डायरेक्ट लिखो आंसर 9 is the length of lattice rectum. Clear students? So this is your question number 1 to 6. क्वेश्चन नंबर 7, सेवंथ क्वेश्चन है ना. इतने सारे क्वेश्चन करने के बाद अभी आप सारे क्वेश्चन खुद से कर पाएंगे. सो फाइंड द इक्वेशन ऑफ पैराबोला दैट सेटिस्फाइज द फॉलोइंग कंडीशंस. फॉलोइंग कंडीशन. फर्स्ट, फोकस कोऑर्डिनेट्स ऑफ फोकस 6 0 एंड इक्वेशन ऑफ डायरेक्ट्रिक्स x इक्वल टू माइनस है. शायद कल आपने जो लेक्चर देखा होगा उसमें मैंने डिराइव किया था इक्वेशन ऑफ पैराबोला इन विच फोकस a0 and equation of directrix is x equal to minus a ना. this is -6. तो बोलो है ना, फोकस a है, इक्वेशन ऑफ डायरेक्ट्रिक्स -6, तो कौन सा इक्वेशन आएगा? फोकस लाइज ऑन पॉजिटिव एक्सिस. देखो फोकस से आपको आइडिया मिलेगा. डायग्राम ड्रॉ करें. रफ डायग्राम आपको दिमाग में सोच लेना है. दिमाग ज्यादा नहीं चलता है तो मेरी तरह इस तरह ड्रॉ कर देना है. So here focus lies on 6 0, that means positive direction of x axis. तो यहाँ पर फोकस है तो पैराबोला ऐसे आएगा. दिस इज राइट वर्ड पैराबोला. आ गया समझ में? दिस इज द इक्वेशन ऑफ डायरेक्ट्रिक्स व्हिच इज x इक्वल टू -6. बस अभी ये कौन सा इक्वेशन है? राइट वर्ड पैराबोला. राइट वर्ड पैराबोला पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव वैल्यू ऑफ y, x इज पॉजिटिव, इट्स अ y स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 4ax. व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ a? यहाँ से मिलेगा a इक्वल टू 6. So it's a y square equal to 4. A is 6 into x. So y square equal to 4 6 are 24x is the equation of parabola. Is the required equation of parabola. Done? बस इतना ही था, है ना. ये सारे क्वेश्चन एग्जाम में नहीं आने वाले हैं लेकिन करवाने पड़ेंगे. क्वेश्चन नंबर 8. Find the equation of parabola which satisfies the following condition. Now focus is changed. Coordinates of focus 0 -3. अभी बोलो ये फोकस कहाँ पर है? Yes, negative y axis. And directrix, equation of directrix is y equal to 3. Y equal to 3. So try to draw rough diagram. ये x axis y axis आ गई. Now focus lies on negative y axis. यहाँ पर है ना 0 -3. यहाँ पर फोकस है, पैराबोला ऐसे होगा, और डायरेक्ट्रिक्स यहाँ पर होगी, है ना. यहाँ पर होती है y इक्वल टू a, ये हो गया 0 -a. सो कंपेयरिंग दिस फोकस, कंपेयरिंग द कोऑर्डिनेट्स ऑफ फोकस 0 -3 with 0 -a. So here by comparison we are getting a equal to 3. a equal to 3. बस ये a लाना था. और ये डाउनवर्ड पैराबोला है ना, पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव वैल्यू ऑफ x, y is negative. Therefore we can say equation of required parabola क्या होगा? x square equal to -4ay. Put a equal to 3. So it's a x square equal to -4. A is 3 into y. So x square equal to -12y. X square equal to -12y is the required equation of this parabola. Clear students? Now pause this video and note it down. Students बोलेंगे. Question number 9. Question number 9. Find the equation of parabola which satisfies the following condition. Vertex is given, है ना, वर्टेक्स ओरिजिन पर, स्टैंडर्ड पैराबोला, एंड फोकस कोऑर्डिनेट्स ऑफ f. फोकस लाइज एट द पॉइंट 3 0. 3 0 कहां पर होता है ना, फोकस a0 पॉजिटिव एक्सिस, पॉजिटिव x एक्सिस. सो हियर a इज इक्वल टू 3. बस a 3 आ गया, पॉजिटिव x एक्सिस पर फोकस है ना, यहाँ पर तो ऐसे पैराबोला होगा rightward parabola. So equation of rightward parabola. So here we can write equation of required parabola, है ना. Focus lies on positive x-axis, hence it's a rightward parabola. And equation of rightward parabola is y square equal to 4ax, where a equal to 3. So equation is y square equal to 4 into 3 into x. So y square equal to 12x. Y square equal to 12x is the equation of required parabola. Done. Next question, question number 10. So here condition is vertex, again vertex is 0 0, and a vertex is at origin, that is our standard parabola. And focus, coordinates of focus lies on the point -2 is -2 0, है ना. ये 3 0 था, ये -2 0 है. सो रफ डायग्राम, फोकस हमारा नेगेटिव एक्स एक्सिस पर है, यहाँ पर है. तो पैराबोला कैसा होगा, लेफ्ट वर्ड पैराबोला, है ना. और यहाँ पर डायरेक्ट्रिक्स होगी. सो लेफ्ट वर्ड पैराबोला की हमारे पास इक्वेशन है पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव वैल्यू ऑफ y, x is negative. So here we can write equation of required parabola. Equation of required parabola, y square equal to minus 4ax, and coordinates of this focus will be minus a0. So compare this one with minus a0, so we are getting a equal to 2. Put a equal to 2 over here, so it's a y square equal to minus 4, a is 2 and x, so it's a y square equal to minus 8x. Y square equal to minus 8x is the equation of required parabola. Clear, friends? Question number 11. Now question number 11. So here condition is vertex is origin, and parabola is passing through this point 2 3, and one general point is given pxy, that is 2 3. Parabola is passing through this point 2 3, and axis is along with the x-axis. Axis of parabola is along with the x-axis. So when axis of parabola is along with the x-axis, we are having two possibilities, है ना. हमारे पास दो तरह के पैराबोला हो सकते हैं. डन. along with the x-axis ड्रॉ करें तो एक राइटवर्ड पैराबोला आएगा और यहाँ पर डायरेक्ट्रिक्स आएगी. और दूसरा केस हो सकता है इफ यू ट्राई टू ड्रॉ पैराबोला along with the x-axis, तो ऐसे लेफ्टवर्ड आएगा और उसकी डायरेक्ट्रिक्स यहाँ पर आएगी. डन. x इक्वल टू a और यहाँ पर होगा x इक्वल टू माइनस a. So two possibilities are there. Parabola is passing through this point 2 3. अभी देखो 2 3 कहाँ पर होगा, 2 3 होगा फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट में. ये हमारी y एक्सिस, ये हमारी x एक्सिस, और 2 3 होगा ये फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट पर. तो ये राइटवर्ड पैराबोला 2 3 से पास होगा. और यहाँ पर बात करें ये y एक्सिस और ये x एक्सिस, है ना. और ये फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट 2 3 होगा यहाँ पर. तो देखो दिस लेफ्टवर्ड पैराबोला कैन पास थ्रू दिस पॉइंट 2 3. नो, तो ये केस नहीं है. आ गया समझ में कौन सा पैराबोला है. दिस इज द इक्वेशन ऑफ राइटवर्ड पैराबोला. सो नाउ इक्वेशन ऑफ पैराबोला, है ना. कौन सा होगा ये राइटवर्ड पैराबोला. इट्स अ y स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 4ax. दिस वन इज पासिंग थ्रू the point, which point, 2 3. Point 2 3 lies in a first quadrant, and hence our required parabola will be rightward parabola. ये नहीं आ सकता. तो 2 3 इसको सेटिस्फाई करेंगे. पुट y इक्वल टू 3, so it's a 3 square equal to 4a, x will be 2. So here we are getting the value of a. 3 square 9 by 4 2s are 8 equal to a. This is the value of a, and hence equation of our parabola will be y square equal to 4. A is 9 by 8. 9 by 8 into x. Done? 4 2 are 8. So equation of parabola is y square equal to 9 by 2x. Y square equal to 9 by 2x is the equation of parabola. It's a rightward parabola. है ना, यहाँ से पता चला. Clear students? Next is question number 12. So here condition is parabola is passing from the vertex 0 0 and passing through the point phi 2. Passing through the point phi 2 and symmetric with respect to y-axis. Axis of parabola is y-axis. So parabola is symmetrical about the y-axis. Passing from the point phi 2. तो ऐसे आएगा y-axis और phi 2 फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट में से पास करवाना है तो अपवर्ड पैराबोला आएगा. Done? So parabola will be x square equal to 4ay form. Passing through this parabola from this point, passing through